Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today I am sharing an affordable Mother's Day gift, and this is going to include a DIY, and then I'm just going to show you the entire gift put together. So to start out with, I'm using this frame here, this little picture thing from the Dollar Tree, of course. I'm actually going to cut these end pieces off. This is perfect for a last minute Mother's Day gift or any time for any other gift as well, but I am making it for Mother's Day. And this is a collaboration with Marie over at Marie's DIY, as well as Carrie Valton and Gina at Dollar Tree _goodies 5 and more. Their channel links will be below, so definitely go check out their channels and just see what they came up with for their affordable Mother's Day gift. So what I'm going to do is create magnets out of these. I'm going to cut these in half. So my intention is to have 8 of these. I want to make these a little more even. So I'm just marking it. We're on the 3-inch mark. So now that these are all cut, I'm putting these 4 to the side, and I'm going to use these 4 and a brush and some Mod Podge. And I had my family draw some things for my mother, and just gonna place those on these different little things. My husband is a little bit of an artist, so he drew this. I asked him to make something. So I'm gonna use the Mod Podge and glue these little notes to these boards. And then I'm gonna paint some Mod Podge right over the top of it too, just to seal it on. And I'll let that dry. What I'm going to do with these 4 is I took pictures with my phone and I emailed the pictures to myself. So I'm going to print those out in Photoshop because I need to size them down or scale them down to fit on here. But in the meantime, I want these to have like a black frame. I'm going to take this paint here and I'm just going to paint over these, cover them up, and then when I print the pictures out, I'm going to attach them to the boards just the way I did with these little pictures here. So just trying to keep a little bit of anonymity, I guess you can say. I'm just showing you how all these pictures are going to be attached. So I'm going to put the kids at the top, and then I'm going to add a heart to the bottom because I actually have a little bit more space than I thought I was going to have. I'm going to put ours at the bottom of the little block, and then I'm going to put the heart at the top, and I'm going to cover the entire thing with Mod Podge. I didn't really care for the edges of these being so exposed, so I got some washi tape, this here, and I attached to the border of this one. And for this one here, I was going to use this yarn just because the edging is not great. For my son, I'm going to put this twine around his. I think I'm going to make a bow out of this one. These are magnetic clips from the Dollar Tree. So what I did was just take the magnets out from the back of it. And the magnet is literally magnetized to this. It's not really in there too good. I needed 8 of them. So I got 2 packs of these. And I removed these 7 magnets already. These magnets are really, really strong. And so this one is still in there. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to remove it with just the magnet attaching here. It pulls it right out. And all I'm going to do is glue these with my hot glue gun. You can use something stronger if you like, to the back of each of these little boards that I made. So I'm getting ready to package these up, but I just wanted to show a little quick up close of how the magnet looks all around. Here's the back. And it looks nice and shiny. And I'm just going to show you quickly how I'm going to package everything up. So from the Dollar Tree, I did purchase one of these little boxes, and I also got this candle holder. It says Happy Mother's Day. My mother doesn't really use candles, but this little cup is cute and she does like decorative things. This is some body cream, moisturizing coconut and verbena. It smells really good. This seemed really nice. I wouldn't normally get things that go on your skin from the Dollar Tree, but this seemed like a legit item. So then I got these little hand sanitizers. You know me, I'm all about the cleanliness. And then I got this Carmex. I think I'm gonna take this out of the little packaging. So I'm gonna use some of this little tissue paper here to wrap everything up. So I'll put the yellow paper down in the bottom. And I'll put the cream here, candle holder here. Unpackage the hand sanitizers just so they can fit in here a little bit better. Attaching them to each other like this, and then just wrapping it. So this was my affordable Mother's Day gift. I hope you found this video inspiring. I hope it helped you to come up with ideas of something that you can make, put together for someone special, your mother, or even anyone else for Mother's Day or any occasion at all. And be sure to check out the links below so you can see what the other ladies came up with for their affordable Mother's Day gift. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.